Good morning, Corey Frazier with TreasureAutoSales and hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2011 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This does have the Cobb tuner with the aftermarket exhaust. The factory exhaust is actually in the back there, but we'll get to that here in a minute. Just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first, we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be, and then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you're going to see, I'm getting both angles for you. You'll be able to see if there's any dents, dings, dimples, things of that nature. Sorry, trying to block the sun there. The sun is not my friend in these video walkarounds. And if this is something that you like, just reach out. I'll send you over a photo of the Cobb tuner that plugs into the I'll send you over a photo of that if you need it. But this one, a lot of power, fun to drive, dual exhaust. We are waiting on one trim piece. It's just taken forever to get it from Volkswagen. But sunroof, I'll show you here in just a moment. Fog lights. I'll get to the inside condition and features. You're gonna have the blinkers and the mirrors there, but this little trim piece right here, taking forever to get from Volkswagen. Open this up. Now, mind you, this probably needs to be detailed again. Too many test drives. It's kind of dirty, so just keep that in mind. I think in the video that looks actually worse than it really is. But no rips, tears, anything in there on the seats. There's a media center there. It does have navigation, Bluetooth, all the goodies. Steering wheel controls here with the paddle shifters, as you can see. There is a mileage there. And let me open up the trunk here so you can see aftermarket exhaust. Yeah, so there's a factory exhaust there. I know it's but rather have it with the vehicle than without, and in case of somebody lives in an emission zone or whatever. But back seats, no rips, tears, or stains back there. But let me go ahead and turn this guy over. There's a remote, or I should say key. Let me turn it over. AC blows super cold. Matter of fact, I think this had a new compressor put in on steering wheel lock. Sorry guys, bear with me a moment here. There we go. There's the Navi there. Turn down the AC here. Navi there. Media, phone, you can connect your phone, Bluetooth, all that. So mute it. Turn on some lights, make sure that's on. Alright. One-touch autos, I always like those. Well guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed or you'd like me to come out and take photos, actually, let me pop the hood real quick. It's been a little while since I've done a video walk around. Also has the rain guards on the rain guards. Any vehicle's really a nice extra option here. Cobb, air intake, the whole system's there. But again, hopefully that helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever we can do to help accommodate, facilitate, just reach out, give me a call or a text. My contact information is in the description below. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.